Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Jenkins Certification Training Course, Lecture 1. In this lecture we will learn about Introduction to Jenkins, Introduction to CI/CD, the CI or CD pipeline, Jenkins, an overview, Jenkins architecture, key components of Jenkins, conclusion. Introduction to CI/CD. Welcome to this presentation on Introduction to CI or CD. In today's fast-paced software development environment, it's essential to have a streamlined process for delivering high-quality software products. That's where continuous integration and continuous delivery come in. CI/CD is a set of practices that enable developers to build, test, and deploy code quickly and reliably. By automating the software delivery process, teams can reduce errors, improve efficiency, and deliver better products faster. In this presentation, we'll explore the different stages of the CI or CD pipeline, the role of Jenkins in the process, and the key components of Jenkins architecture. The CI or CD pipeline. The CI or CD pipeline is a series of stages that work together to ensure fast and reliable delivery of software products. The pipeline starts with the code being pushed to a version control system, which triggers an automated build process. This build process compiles the code, runs, tests, and creates an artifact that can be deployed to various environments. The next stage is deployment, where the artifact is moved to a staging environment for further testing. Once it passes all necessary tests, it is then deployed to production. Finally, the pipeline ends with monitoring, where the performance of the deployed product is continuously monitored and any issues are addressed in a timely manner. Jenkins. An overview. Jenkins is a popular open-source tool for automation and continuous integration. It was created in 2004 as a fork of the Hudson project, and has since become one of the most widely used CI or CD tools in the industry. One of the key features of Jenkins is its extensibility. With over 1,500 plugins available, developers can customize Jenkins to meet their specific needs. Jenkins also supports a wide range of programming languages and platforms, making it a versatile tool for software development teams. In addition to its flexibility, Jenkins is known for its ease of use. Its web-based interface allows users to easily configure and manage jobs, pipelines, and other components of the CI or CD process. And with its robust community of users and contributors, Jenkins is constantly evolving and it comes to the larger CI or CD ecosystem. Jenkins plays a crucial role in automating the software delivery process. By integrating with other tools such as Git, Docker, and Kubernetes, Jenkins helps teams deliver high-quality software faster and more reliably. Jenkins architecture. Jenkins is a powerful tool for automation and continuous integration, but it all starts with its architecture. At the heart of Jenkins is the master-slave model, which allows for distributed builds across multiple machines. The master node serves as the central hub, managing workload and delegating tasks to the slave nodes. The role of agents and nodes is also key to understanding Jenkins architecture. Agents are essentially worker nodes that execute builds and report back to the master node. Nodes, on the other hand, represent physical or virtual machines that are used for running builds. By using these components together, Jenkins can scale to meet the needs of even the most complex software delivery pipelines. Key components of Jenkins. Plugins are a key component of Jenkins, allowing users to extend the functionality of the software and integrate with other tools. With over 1,500 plugins available, Jenkins can be customized to fit any development environment. Jobs and pipelines are also essential components of Jenkins, providing a way to automate the software delivery process and improve efficiency. Jobs define individual tasks that need to be performed, while pipelines define the overall workflow and how the jobs are executed. By breaking down the delivery process into smaller, more manageable tasks, Jenkins can help teams deliver software faster and with fewer errors. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the importance of continuous integration and continuous delivery in modern software development. By automating the software delivery process, we can ensure fast and reliable delivery of software products to our customers. We also discussed the role of Jenkins as a popular open-source tool for automation and continuous integration. Its key components, including plugins, jobs, and pipelines, work together to improve efficiency and automate the software delivery process. Finally, we explored the architecture of Jenkins, which includes a master-slave model and the use of agents and nodes. Understanding these key components is essential for successfully implementing Jenkins in your organization.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.